Senator Dietzig. Okay, do you mind to come here? This is a joyful moment because Jawar is home. This is something we've been waiting for a long time. And you know what it still comes down to? We believe in human rights. We believe that people have the right to do what they want to do in a free, God-living country, and this is America, and we need to remember that. So welcome home, Jawar. Welcome home. Okay.
I just want to thank everybody for letting me be a part of this journey. I agree with what Senator Hoffman said. My name is Carrie Dietzig. I'm the state senator for the Cedar Riverside area. We are so excited and so happy that Jawar is home. It has been a pleasure and an honor to work with everybody here because the community stuck together and the community worked really hard, and we are here to support the community, and we want to make sure that everybody comes home.
Thank you.
I just want to say Oromo people who marched like Abdul Razak, everybody in the Twin
yesterday when we sitting here, and I wish Senator Carrie Dietzig was here with me, doing the resolution about the human rights violations that was happening in Ethiopia, right? And the children that were college students who were killed because they were protesting, doing what we take for granted in Minnesota, the ability to protest about anything we want, right? The resolutions that drove the way to saying it's not okay, right? And then the resolutions to say it's not okay to hold you in Bakaka prison without any due process rights. That's not okay. Your child, Oromo, held him in my arms. He was the youngest door knocker on a political. You talk about civic engagement. He was the youngest civic engaged child in the state of Minnesota. And I never forgot that. Matter of fact, I never forgot this, ladies and gentlemen. Never forgot this. In 2014, when this was given to me, it never has left my office, and it's never left my mind. And knowing that we sit here fighting for our human rights because we want to have the freedom to be able to express what our rights are. That's something that you two have given light, not only to the nation back home, but to your home right here in Minnesota. All these folks here are friends because of the fact what you're doing and what you've done. And you know, I'm going to tell you this again, it really does feel good to say welcome home. There was a group, a whole group, that just was scared and concerned, who love you, who care about you. I love you, I care about you, and I'm glad you're home. And I'm not letting you go. All right, I'm not being funny, but it's okay. Here's the thing. I got a couple minutes, all right? You're going to kick me off of here, but you can't because, you know, that's just not going to do it. You guys want me to leave? The ultimate measure of a person is not where they stand in moments of comfort and convenience, but where they stand in times of challenge. That's what Dr. Martin Luther King said to us in 1960, right? That same wording is true today. And now what it does is we're still facing the same problems and the same struggles and the same fight. So the systemic river that runs deep, yet the tide doesn't seem to change. In fact, we've endured those who fan the flames and create more fire for us to walk through. What can we do? Guess what? Do we gather? Do we rise? Do we collaborate? Do we organize? But what we do is we speak the truth to power. These two gentlemen spoke the truth to power, and here they are back home. And with that, don't you ever forget, speak the truth to power. And I want to give you a couple of things, can I? And then I'll leave the stage. Fair enough? First of all, your team Hoffman, because as we sat, I'm going to give you three sheets. Three sheets. Listen to me. 3 sheets. Three. Trifecta. Hold that up. Yes, welcome to Team Hoffman. Matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to leave you, but I want to say this. welcome home, welcome home. God bless you. Stay fruitful, and may we what? Together we can accomplish much, right? And we, together we do better when we all do, brother. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Come to
Mari jalan Bakaka.
Yes, Jawarmohammed.
Kota Kenya. Aku magarkan baki jerukoni. Assalamualaikum. Simana Jawaar Bazira. Eka jeraga Haji. Apa jerani? Oh.
Good to see you. Terry, get in here.
It's
a joyful moment today, isn't
absolutely,
it?
Absolutely. Thank you for your great service and your hard work. This is a result of your voice for the voiceless. Thank you very much. Jan haponi pinibetang kakasuma ko. Nasitewa ko sagale ni sani mana masaramu tuma Amerika kesa sagale hayuta Kenya TV idam tu Kenya lalaba turani sani le simana nafas molin turani. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is your celebration.
This is joy.
We still have a lot in bar behind bars, so we still have a lot to do. We will continue to fight for the voiceless and for the vulnerable. Thank you very much. Ay. Sorry. Yo, no, arkan rahu di mana dura? Guys, take it easy. Guys, take it easy. Guys, take it easy. Guys, relax. Come on, take it easy. Guys, take it easy. Nothing is going on. Guys, nothing is going on. Hey, guys. Guys, everything is okay. Guys, relax. Sati Bakakamedia jarjasani bahasani wan berarti miti. Assalamualaikum. Mahammed.